On today's video, we're showing you how to make the best breakfast sandwich on the griddle. All right, so this is gonna be the best breakfast sandwich you ever ate. I guarantee it. If you think you're fat now, you wait till you eat this rig. Now, we made the sauce ahead of time. We used a half a cup of mayo, a quarter cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of horseradish, a couple of sprigs of Worcestershire sauce, and SPG. Forgot. We use SPG. Now, you can make this ahead of time. You can make this by the bucket loads. Keep it in the fridge. It's great on anything. Burgers, hot dogs, but technically you shouldn't put ketchup on a hot dog because men don't, but that's okay. Now, here's the special part. We have pastrami delivered to us from Katz Deli in New York City.
New York City?
Who that? All right, so we got the pastrami, flew here on a private jet to our residence in New York City. For the bread, we are running a jalapeno cheddar loaf. And we cut this Texas toast style. The Texas toast you get on the bread aisle. Can't even talk today. We're gonna saute up a half of a yellow onion, chopped up, one whole jalapeno sliced thin, and we got two cheese options here. We have smoked Gouda slices, and we have bacon jalapeno cheddar crumbles. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. Now, here's the star of the show. Yeah, there. Get some butter down for the toast. Make sure to get them all booted up. All right, so my thought here is we are going to try to put a fried egg on top. Now, it's been years since I've done a, what do they call it, Wes? No, a double stacked, smash trashed, and double hashed or something like Waffle House. This is gonna be a work of art. And if you don't like jalapenos, then use serranos. They're not near as hot. You smell that? You smell that? Oh. What do you think of these sauteing skills? It's what separates the men from the boys. All right, that's ready. Now, you want to do two cheeses? Let's do two. Do a little bit. We'll put this around the perimeter. Hold in the goodness. Oh. All right, here we go. It's coming together. Now you want to put some of this sauce down first. Some onions and jalapenos. Get on there. Dang it. Oh, come on. Here we go, one-handed. Now, gotta be quick here, boys. Not that side. A little bit of SPG. You ready for the meat? Jeez, dude. And just as a topping, a little garlic jalapeno on this egg. Come on now, look at that egg. Boom. What's this little dude right here on the bread? Looks like an Audi. All right. A little bit more sauce. And now, So as you can see, this sandwich is super easy, super quick. Now, we just gotta get in it. Ooh. Oh. Now, come on. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so quick recap. We got sauteed onions and jalapenos, pastrami from Katz Deli, but you can make your own. We got jalapeno cheddar crumbles, smoked Gouda, and of course, that fried egg on jalapeno cheddar bread cut Texas stove style. All right, let's get in it. I think I just had an experience. This is the best breakfast sandwich I've ever made in my life, especially on a griddle. And you can make it too. Head on down in the description, click on the link, go over to KosmosQ.com, go to the recipe, print it out, and surprise your fat belly. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Because this one is special. You don't even know it yet, but this is special. This is how you get this right here. Sexy look. Brings all the women back, buddy. Smoked Gouda and bacon jalapeno.